Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine approved. How many jabs has the UK bought? Today the UK government has formally approved the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine for use in the UK. The vaccine has been approved for use in the US. Alongside the UK, the EU and Canada have also ordered doses, and 500 million doses have also been ordered through the Covax scheme to supply poorer nations. This is the fourth jab to be authorised for use in the UK. The UK government has ordered 20 million doses of the vaccine. Trials found it prevented serious illness, but was 67% effective overall when moderate cases were included. The Belgian-made vaccine is produced by the pharmaceutical company Janssen. Health Secretary Matt Hancock said, "This is a further boost to the UK's hugely successful vaccination program, which has already saved over 13,000 lives, and means that we now have 4 safe and effective vaccines approved to help protect people from this awful virus." As Janssen is a single-dose vaccine, it will play an important role in the months to come as we redouble our efforts to encourage everyone to get their jabs and potentially begin a booster program later this year. The UK regulator MHRA was initially concerned about the use of the vaccine in the UK after concerns were raised in the US about potential links to highly rare blood clots. However, these turned out to be extremely rare, with just 8 cases of blood clots found in over 7 million people vaccinated in the US. With multiple variants of COVID appearing across the world, Johnson & Johnson has assured users that the vaccine provides protection against multiple variants. A clinical trial published earlier this year found that the vaccine provided protection for 72% of those involved. The trial was carried out in the US and involved 43,783 participants. The level of protection was found to be lower in trials conducted in Latin America, at just 66%. The efficacy was found to be lower still at just 57% in trials in South Africa, and here a new variant of the virus has been affecting the region. The combined efficacy from these trials was 67%. The Joint Committee on Vaccination and Immunisation, the UK's vaccine committee, are due to produce advice on who should receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine soon. Prior to the UK's authorisation of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine by MHRA, the vaccine had been authorised for use in Europe by the European Medicines Agency, EMA, as well as the US by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and by the World Health Organization, WHO.